So today we will be replacing the door handle on my mom's car. Broke. So first we got to remove the panel. So we need to pry this door handle off. It has little pry sections, little areas where you can pry. I don't know if you can see that. Right about there. And right here. And right there. So be careful when you pry it, don't break it. Comes right off. Then we'll be removing, there's some Phillip bolts in there and there. So we'll be taking both of those off. Also, I popped this little cover off that goes in here. Oh, sorry for the camera. Oh well. I need recording gear. But this little piece goes in here. Just pry it off slowly, carefully. I need to buy a recording camera for this stuff so I can make better videos. But I appreciate. Hey buddy. Appreciate a like, a follow, all that good stuff. So you're gonna pop this little cover off also. Get out of the way, be careful, it'll probably break. Then just snap the panel off after, make sure you got those two bolts off. And then just snap the panel back. I already snapped it back, but just give it a good pull and it should come right out. And once you pop that off, you're just gonna pull up, and you could probably just set it to the side because I'm gonna change the outer door handle, so I'll need to peel this back. Looks like someone's been into it already. And then you gotta roll the window up. Make sure your window's up. And we gotta access those bolts right there. And one inside here. You probably see it right there. Focus, focus. So I'm not taking the door panel all the way off. I'm not going to unplug it. I'm just going to let it hang. Change out the handle and call it good. Once you get those bolts off, you got to kind of push down. And you got to fight it a little bit. Trying to boom, slide it out. Then unhook it right here. I'm gonna try and do it with, well, you get the point. Just snap that out, twist it out, and that way we get the handle off. I can't hold the camera and do this at the same time. And my wife's drinking her coffee, so we can't interrupt that session. So a little trick I do, a lot of people do it actually. I shove a piece of paper, that way the bolt stays in tight and it doesn't fall out. That way when you're going in there, and if you don't want to drop it, I mean, you could fish it out, but not too bad. But I don't like dropping it, so I just had that little piece of paper, slide her in, and be done. So, gonna go right there. And there it is. So there we have it. Yeah, I know the color don't match. Before I get a bunch of heat for that, my mama will be happy regardless, so that's all that matters. All together, lock in, bolts tight. Now just putting it together, reverse order. And thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you want. I'll be making more videos. Thank you. So there it is, all done. This will be my first video, so trolls welcome. If you guys want to talk some shit, bring it. My first video, so any negative comments, positive comments, if this helped you, give me a like, a follow, whatever. If not, thumbs down will work. Something is better than nothing. Thank you for watching.